Okay, guys, this is Unit 4, Section 4. We're comparing adverbs. Honestly, all of these rules that you're using from page 206 are the same rules that we use for our comparing adjectives. So I'm just going to flip back and we'll work from there. But we are on Section 4. Okay. So we have our rules here with the degrees of comparison, with our syllables, and with our rules. So if you want to pause it here, you can. But let's look at 31. So we're on page 219 in our book. And the instructions say write each sentence using the correct positive, comparative, or superlative form of the adverb that is in parentheses. So 31, computers can solve many complicated problems blank than people can. And the word in parentheses is rapidly. And it sounds like they're comparing two things. They're comparing computers and people. So even if it's multiple people, it's still the group. It's a collective term, so it acts as a singular noun. So if you're comparing two things, you're going to use... let's go to the chart. So you're comparing two things. So you're in the comparative degree. So that middle chart with a C. Rapidly has 3 syllables. So you're going to say more rapidly. That's 31. So 31 should read, computers can solve many complicated problems more rapidly than people can. And you're writing the entire sentence. So let's go down to 35. Programs are now stored blank in the computer's memory, then on magnetic tape. So often. So that's 2 syllables. Programs and computer's memory. The computer's memory are being compared. So there's only 2 things. So if we're in the comparative degree, it has 2 syllables. So our answer will be more often for 35. Programs are now stored more often in the computer's memory than on magnetic tape. So skipping down to 41 in our textbook. Computer science is taught at colleges and universities blank than before. And our word in parentheses is much. So I'll let you guys think about that. So this one's actually, you might be a little bit tricky. You might be tempted to say, I don't know what you guys could come up with. Maybe much more. That's probably what you guys are thinking. But 41 is just more. It's just more. So 41, computer science is taught at colleges and universities more than before. So you're comparing 2 things. You're comparing a time frame. I'm not sure if that makes sense to you guys. So they're comparing the time before to the time now, the present time of when they are talking about computer science. So remember, we're on section 4. Don't let my paper confuse you. I'll just flip back to the rules from the adjective section. But that is section 4.